you want to open any already saved drawing in your system, you can go to the application menu and click open over here, and as soon as I move my pointer over here, you can see another dialog box has been opened. Here you can see drawing, or you can directly open the drawing using from the quick access toolbar over here. Now I will open a document from the files I have. I can open any document from the already saved, and you can see the view also over here. I will select this one, the first one, and I will click the open. You can see that the drawing has been opened. Now we will see how to save a drawing. I will just make edit to this one. I'll insert another circle. I'll draw another circle here. Now I'll just save this one. I'll go to the application menu and left click the mouse and save. Now I'll close this one. You can see it is in the section view 02. Now I'll reopen that one, section view. You can see the drawing over here. You can observe that the circle geometry which we have given is saved. If you are using some folder frequently, just click the folder and you can drag it over here. This is the quick access bar, and if we leave it, we can now access from here. You can see the access files have been docked over here, and you can access the files directly from here.